Okay. Determine whether the ordered pair, P-A-I-R, is a solution to the given system of inequalities. Determine whether the ordered pair is a solution to the given system of inequalities. Now, we have two inequalities here. That's why it's called a system. You have y less than 2x minus 3, and you have 2x plus y greater than 2. Y less than 2x minus 3, 2x plus y greater than 2. And you have a coordinate 4, 1. That means that's x, that's y. What you need to do is substitute the variables in both with 1 for y, 4 for x, and seeing if they're both yes. They both have to be yes. So I like to kind of make a table. I'm going to put that on one side, that on the other. Now, I'm not graphing these, okay? I'm not graphing these. So, okay, if I'm not graphing them, I don't need the y by itself, okay? Now, what you do is make sure you put a times operation. And if you want to make that plus negative, be my guess, okay? Now, 1 replaces the y, and then 4 replaces the x. So now you have 1, and then 2 times 4 plus negative 3. Now you find the value on each side. You have 1 on that side, and over here you got a times first. 8 plus negative 3 is 5. So that's a yes. Okay, so if I get a yes, I move to this side. If I get a no, I don't even move to this side. I just write no. Now, over here, same thing. Okay, put operations, times, plus. Okay, good. So x is 4 and y is 1. So we get 2 times 4 plus 1. Now this side already has its value. This side we take 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, that's also a yes. It's a bigger number. So the answer to that's yes. It's got to be yes for both of them. Okay, next one. Y greater than or equal to negative x plus 5. Y greater than or equal to negative x plus 5. And then negative 3x plus y less than or equal to negative 4. Negative 3x plus y less than or equal to negative 4. So x, y. Remember, you do not need the y by itself, okay? Because I don't expect you to graph. If I had to put these on a graph, I would need the y by itself. But guess what? I don't have to graph these. Okay, if you have a negative in front of x, that's a negative 1 times. Okay, so y, negative 7, x, 4. Now let's move over here. That's a times and a plus. You got to know your operations you have. So x, negative 4, and then y, negative 7. So let's write this out now with the values put in. Negative 7, negative 1 times 4 plus 5. Okay, we times first, that's negative 4. Then negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Well, I got bad news for you, okay? This is the higher value. It's not eating that value. That's a no. So I don't even care about over here. It's already a no just from the fact that they're not both going to be yes. So I really didn't even need to waste time over there. Okay, next one. Sorry. The two things are negative 4x plus 3y greater than or equal to 6. And then y less than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. I'm going to repeat that. Negative 4x plus 3y greater than or equal to 6. Y less than or equal to negative 3x plus 4. And this is what we're putting in for x and y at the same time. So I write the first inequality over there, and then write the other one over here. Remember, don't call them equations. They're inequalities when you have greater than and less than signs. So know your operations. That'd be times, plus, and times, and then that's all by itself. So 2 will replace the y, negative 6 will replace the x. So we now have negative 4 times negative 6 plus 3 times 2 greater than or equal to 6. Now the value, we already have 6 on that side, but over here you got to do 2 times. Negative 4 times negative 6 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6. 24 plus 6 is 30. Well, 30 is bigger than 6, so that's a yes. Now we move over here. Don't have any operations on that side. You got a times and a plus. So 2 goes in for y, and then negative 6 goes in for x. So you got negative 3 times negative 6 plus 4. So that side's set with a 2. This side we have to do the operations. You times first, 18, and then add 4. Well, that's quite obvious. 22 is bigger. It eats 22, so that's a yes. So when I get double yeses, that's the answer. Now in our next video, we're going to be finding all the yeses. Okay, we're going to represent all the yeses. See, what you did today was you just got a point and decided if it was yes or no. Okay. Now next video, you're going to find all your yeses.